This video will be on applying the correct belt tension and adjustment on the CFR 650 feed chopper option. Be sure the Bale lift system is in the upmost position with the transport lock installed. Tractor is off and in the park position. Open the cover door to expose the drive assembly. The tension gauge is located on the corner of the tensioner. This setting should be indicating between 25 and 30 degrees. If adjustment is needed to maintain the life of your belt, this is how adjustment is completed. There are adjustment holes located on the base of the tensioner. The tensioner would have to be rotated to the next hole and fastened. Disengage the feed chopper clutch. Start by releasing the tension and disengaging the belt. Remove the two 3/8 bolts and remove the tensioner off of the tub wall. Loosen the metric bolt which holds the tensioner to the mount plate on the inside of the mount. Remove the 3/8 bolt and rotate to the next hole if allowed. Reassemble and tighten back onto the tub wall. Place the belt on and rotate the pulley to check alignment. Engage the chopper clutch. Be sure that the pin is pushed fully ahead and rotated 90 degrees.